If your boiler is starting and stopping constantly, that's what we call short cycling. And I want to talk a little bit about causes and why it's bad.
It's time for your weekly boiler tip.
Firstly, a lot of times we buy a boiler with ambitions that we're going to add on to the plant, things like that. It may be possible that your boiler is literally just too big for the job you're asking it to do. What a burner won't do is idle. When a burner's firing, it's putting heat in, whether we need it or not. And if we don't need it, we're going to shut off on the operating limit. Why is it bad for a boiler to short cycle? Well, we spend a lot of energy just purging the boiler. We may fire for a very small window of time, and then next thing you know, we're relighting the boiler. The downfall to that is we're spending energy purging. We're putting wear and tear on our contactors, on our blower motors, and we're not getting out of it what we really need in terms of pressure control on the system. So it's bad for refractory, and in many cases it's really bad for your water level because going from off to a high fire state and back off again can swing the water level as well. So there are a lot of things that can cause that, and we'll just look at some of the simplest ways to determine if it even needs to happen. The first thing we can do if our boiler is short cycling and we want to verify maybe the boiler's too big is to put the boiler in manual and lock it in low fire. Because if you find that the burner stays on for a much longer duration when it's locked in low fire, it could indicate that we've got some control strategy issues on the boiler. The firing rate control and the operator have to be coordinated so that the burner modulates down prior to shutting off. If it's not modulating down and we force it to modulate, stay in low fire, if we find that it continues to run or maybe even doesn't carry the load, that's a dead indication that our firing rate is not compatible in its setting with the operator. So that's a good indication. That's something we could probably fix. If it continues to short cycle, even though we've got it held in low fire, well, that's worse news because that's telling us that ultimately the boiler may be too large for the application. In situations like that, we may be able to tune the boiler for additional turn down, meaning that at low fire we put less energy in it, but there are risks. If we go beyond the rated turn down of the burner, we can overheat the burner head, and that's going to be wear and tear on the front end of the boiler. Also, if we use the tricks we have to increase the turn down by using excess air in the flame so we have a cooler flame, less input, we're robbing the unit of its design efficiency. Putting more air in can keep it from cycling, but sometimes cycling is actually more efficient than running with excess air at low fire.